Check out the rare options in this new truck I just bought. No clock and custom deluxe step side 4x4 TBI. Isn't that a rare setup when you think about it? The CB untouched stereo, factory stereo, no clock, so it ain't no Silverado, I don't think. Look at this seat, looks so cheap. I think it's factory because it's a custom deluxe. I don't know, it all looks original except for that Dynamat. So we got holes in the roof for a CB and a light bar. I think this is an old police truck. We got a CB here. So yeah. Just warmed up. I can't get the oil filter off of it. So that's what I'm trying to do right now. I'm trying to warm it up just to get the oil filter off. It's stuck, that came in there. Anyway, there's my other truck over there. I can't show too much of this property, but this is a quick update on my new truck, y'all.